So this module is entitled Performance Enhancing Instructions because it is a performance enhancing instruction that we should be using when teaching our students. So I'm going to use 5 short video clips to help demonstrate what the different levels of instruction are. And this is the first one.
Oh, are you done?
Oh, yes.
Sorry, what? It's just this email I had to respond to. I'm so sorry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Can you do it again, please?
Yes. Sure.
Yeah?
So you can see here that at the end of the instruction, Marielle actually didn't give any instruction at all. She was answering her email, and we'd call that a level 1 instruction. No command.
Oh, what? I'm really disappointed. This was just really bad, extremely bad. I don't know what to do with you anymore. You know, we've tried, but this is just crap.
So you'll see that at the end of this instruction, Marielle used a level 2 instruction, and it was just negative feedback. It doesn't get anything out of your trainee. It's just absolutely negative. I'm sure it's what I received most of my time as a trainee. Negative feedback is not good. So let's see the next level of instruction.
Left.
Well, amazing. It's amazing. Well done. I've never seen such a great procedure. You know, I'm so proud of you. Amazing.
Well, the next level of instruction was a level 3 instruction. Jolly good chap, just positive feedback. Again, it's just a comment and observation. It doesn't train, and it's not a good level of feedback. So let's look at the next level, which is level 4.
Yeah, I think this was okay, but I think for the next time you should probably keep your camera a little bit more in the middle, use your clutch a little bit more, and use both of the arms because you're focusing a little bit too much on the right arm.
So that was a level 4 instruction. Some information was imparted to the trainee. The trainee may have learnt from it, but it isn't the best type of instruction, which is a level of 5 instruction, which we call a performance enhancing instruction.
What can I do to help you? Because I see you're struggling a little bit.
Well, I think I have a problem when using the clutch.
Okay. Why don't I come and help you and show you how I would do it?
So in this example, the trainer didn't tell the trainee anything. What the trainer did is ask, what could she do to help him? So Marielle asked, what could she do to help Ohad? He was having problems with the clutch, and the training episode went on to go through what he was wanting to learn. And that's the best type of instruction that you can have. So when teaching your trainees, I want you to try whenever possible to concentrate on performance enhancing instructions. What can I tell you that would help you improve? So level 1 is nothing. Level 2 is negative feedback. Negative 4 is positive feedback but no instruction. Level 4 is didactic instruction, and level 5 is a performance enhancing instruction. What can I tell you to help you achieve what you want to achieve?